Okay, in this video I will show you how to install exact drivers on your system, especially when you install the fresh operating system. First of all, check for the model of your operating system. Press Window key and R and type DXDIAG and press enter. Here you will see the system manufacturer and system model. In my case, my system manufacturer is Dell and system model is Vestro 143468. Let's go to the Google. Type here the model number and manufacturer. I typed Dell Vestro 143468 drivers. It will redirect me to the Dell official website. Go to the Dell official website. In drivers and downloads tab, you will see two options. First one is let Dell automatically find driver updates for you. It is recommended. And second one is manually find a specific driver for your Vestro 143468. Now, if you know the exact driver that you have to install on your system, then go for manual. Click on find drivers, select operating system that you installed. It may be Windows 10, it may be Windows 7, it may be Ubuntu. Select category of the driver that you have to install, maybe network, maybe BIOS, maybe chipset, maybe audio, and select the format. Windows 32-bit, Windows 64-bit, zip format, or whatever format you have to install. But in case if you don't know which driver your system exactly have to install, then go for this option. Press this toggle button. Show downloads for only this PC. This PC means the PC on which you are working on. Press toggle button. It asks for service tag. Okay. Now go to back on your system and you will see the service tag like these images. Your service tag will be on the back of your laptop or system. If you are using a laptop, your service tag will be like this. Maybe you are using system, then your service tag will be on the front or top of your CPU. If you have any previous model of Dell, then your service tag will be like this. Okay, search for your service tag and type it here. Let me check for my service tag. It is F7BR4F2 and press submit. Now press here check for updates. It will check if your system don't have Dell Support Assistant, then it will recommend you to install it on your system. Install, run, and then it will automatically start checking for drivers. Now it is downloading and installing Support Assistant installer on your system. It will take several minutes. Once Support Assistant installed on your system, it will automatically start checking for the drivers. You can see it says please wait while Support Assistant checks for driver updates. In my case, no driver update found. Your system has the most recent updates because I do it just before creating this video. You can see that it says you have 11 driver updates ready to download and install. Okay, I did it using the same way. This is the easiest way where you can find which driver your system needs. Okay, maybe it is network driver, maybe audio driver, maybe graphics driver, maybe BIOS updates. All your drivers will be installed on your system easily. This is the very easiest way. If you have any question, feel free to ask. Thank you.